Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how far we got. First things first, the whole flooring throughout the whole house is all done. That was a nice project. Now, yesterday we just finished up the baseboards and as well as also like casings throughout the whole house. Here, another thing that we just finished is the fireplace. That got finished up. Then the kitchen is basically all in place. Next thing will be installing the granite. That's gonna come up next. We installed all the appliances so far, and today I'm gonna work on this door. Yesterday I did all the shelves over here. Now I'm gonna do the door. Gonna be today's project. Coming in here, we even got our dryer already in, and the cabinets in here are also all installed. Don't mind too much the uneven doors, they're not adjusted yet. Over here we installed the baseboard as well. Here we have this cabinet installed and it's floating. What I also did, I connected from up here, I still have to work on that, from up there going down an outlet, so I have under cabinet lighting. Then we put in the fan. Then coming to the master, this is all done. Baseboard is all done, casing is all done. Obviously we still have a lot of like touch-ups to do. So this door we installed. The barn door, I took it down so we can work on the baseboard. Then coming this way, the shower is all done. Shower is all done. Here I was working on the lights. I didn't finish up, but yeah, we have the sensor underneath there. So once you walk in, basically it turns the light underneath the cabinets in. We install the cabinets. Doing just a drywall screw. But Amir, in this case. Hi, I have a question. So I just got my appliances delivered, but it looks like they didn't have no wash machine on their list. No, I have my drywall. Did you hear me?
I can hear you said there wasn't, you got a delivery, but one of the appliances didn't come,
Yeah.
and it's a washing machine.
Yep.
There isn't anybody actually in appliances at the moment.
How I said, they're not adjusted at all. And over here, this will be a makeup desk. We basically cut this a little shorter so we can go further in with this. So the casing is not gonna interfere with the countertop and everything looks nice and smooth. All right, then pocket door is all installed. Still needs to be painted. Over here, this toilet room is all done. Baseboard, tile, all done. Here another look at the shower. The shower is all done. I'm gonna install the trim on it, and the glass needs to come in this week. All right. Then closet, nothing got really done in the closet. Going to this other side of the house. Here we go, let's turn on some lights. Here. So I installed some cabinets over here on the hallway. Then go into this room. The flooring is all done. I put the blinds back in. I'm gonna put over there a support so it stays nice and straight. The fan is installed. Baseboard is all installed. The next thing, we're gonna have to paint over here the shelves and install the doors. This over here is also all done. Small touch-ups here and there. Obviously, shower turned out beautiful, as well as the one in the master. I like this a lot. Still need to paint over here, install the toilet. We did also this one to be floating, and with under cabinet lighting. That's gonna be the next.
Hope you guys enjoyed this journey. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you guys on the next one.